is the carrier round one heat pump that I made a video of before. It's not running right now, but here's a top view of it. It's got 4 blades. And there are 2 Lennox heat pumps right there. Those 2 are running. And the smaller one just shut off. And there's the Lennox heat pump right over there, that 1989 Lennox heat pump. Can't see it very well. Oh, there we go. I'll be back. Here is a view of the 3 units from the outside. Don't normally get a chance to film these this early in the day. What time is it? I don't have my watch on. Or you know what, I'll check my phone. 2:25. Normally I'm here in the evening. And there's the Sanyo ductless heat pump right there. And there's the Lennox over here. I don't think it's running. This is from 1989. And then there is a Trane XB1000 back there that's running. Yeah, there's the Trane. That's kind of not along a public walkway, so I can't get very close to it, but that is a Trane XB1000. Pretty sure it's a straight cool unit. And there's the Lennox. Nice one. My friend just burped. Big time. That was a nice one, dude. Sorry. You don't need to apologize. It's funny.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.